the first 400 years of golf's existence, every single round was played with a caddy.
Today, hardly anyone has access to that except for the best players in the world or the people that are members at elite country clubs.
What's gone missing is the objective advice on where you're strong and where you're weak. Caddy took ego out of the equation. In partnership with Microsoft, we've created Arcos Caddy, which is really golf's first AI caddy. It's sensors that get inserted into the grip end of each club, pair it with your smartphone, and then you're off to the races.
Originally, we built the product on Amazon Web Services. Then a couple of years ago, we were introduced to Microsoft for a Hackfest.
In 3 days, we're like, wow, we got something really basic and simple working, and we saw the power of it. And I think Microsoft also saw we have such a huge data set. There's awesome things that can happen in the future.
First laser rangefinder GPS combo unit with a fully integrated display featuring both laser and GPS yardages. Over 97% of PGA Tour players choose Bushnell laser rangefinders because of their incredible accuracy. The Hybrid is packed full of features. First off, you have pin seeker with Jolt technology. The Hybrid ranges out 400 yards to a flag and is accurate to 1 yard. It also comes preloaded with over 36,000 worldwide courses, has an external GPS readout, plus Bluetooth to allow for easy wireless auto course updates. This unit also has a dual battery source with the laser working off of a CR2 and the GPS working off of a USB. Now you can use your laser even if the GPS isn't charged. The Hybrid and all Bushnell Golf laser rangefinders and GPS products come with the Bushnell Golf app. The app provides you with full color aerial views and flyovers of hole layouts with distances. See distance like never before with the Hybrid.
Is athletic. At the first Golf Board Open at Tetherow Resort in Oregon, there were times I thought Hamilton might be right. I've never snowboarded and barely downhill skied, but within 5 minutes of stepping onto a golf board, I felt entirely comfortable carving turns around the driving range. The boards have 14-inch wide platforms with lawnmower-like wheels and a thumb-operated accelerator switch on the handle. They can be set to run slow at 7 miles per hour on rental models, or fast at 11 miles per hour. The only other active control is forward and reverse. The golf board automatically brakes when you release the accelerator trigger. Although piloting a golf board down an open fairway is easy enough, and it's impossible to resist surfing the earth a bit as you go, things can get a bit tricky in tight quarters at slower speeds. Another challenge is choosing which steering technique to use in different situations. Golfers with snowboard or skateboard experience tend to stand sideways, hold the handle with one hand, and mostly steer by shifting their weight. More cautious newbies like me hold on with 2 hands. But either way, it's hard to fall off without really trying to.
Introducing Swing Bite 2. Golf's most trusted mobile swing analyzer is now even better. Easier to attach and align, Swing Bite 2 features enhanced stability and easily fits on any club from driver to putter. On contact, Swing Bite 2 captures your most important swing data and transmits it wirelessly to your smartphone or tablet, where you can analyze the swing you just made, see your swing plane, and the path the club traveled from any angle. The new Swing Bite 2 app features in-app video, auto-trimmed and synced for side-by-side analysis of your swing and the Swing Bite data, including club head speed, lie angle, face angle, and much more. Swing Bite 2 also collects your complete swing history to compare and track your progress as you improve. Start improving your game with the most advanced and affordable way to analyze your golf swing instantly.